Yeah,
Okay.
usually in these cases, my understanding is that with 30 meters of exclusion area in the rigging area, during rigging erection, should be enough, if I'm not wrong.
No, you're
So
right, Sergio. You're right. You're right.
Okay.
100%.
So I think Joy makes sense. What Joydeep is saying is correct.
No, here, Mr. Ved, go back to this definition. Go back to the definition P, the Excel sheet. Okay, here P means don't make it that impact counter 50 to 100 meters. You remove, I believe it should be removed off for the prohibited. Prohibited means it's prohibited at any point of time.
Yeah.
The remaining place you have to re-look into that 50 to 100 meters.
Okay.
This distance, that's what I initially it was precise how this was brought up. It is based on some specific document reference or anything. Any basis is there for this?
Vijay, there is no definition to qualify this impact contour. So this is a very semi-quantitative or semi-qualitative. So in this case, what Joydeep is saying that if you're considering the 50 meter, your entire work will be suspended. But this is the lifting activity. So lifting activity has typical 2 or 3 kind of risk. First thing, something fall down and drop object. Second is somebody may be impacted.
Let me cut short here, Mr. Ved, let me grab. For nipple up, nipple down, Christmas tree or the BOP, in that area, this particular, any of the work which is mentioned in the brown color it's prohibited. Okay, that's very clear.
Okay.
Rig movement, in the rig walking is there. In that location, if any of the brown color activities, construction activities is prohibited. It's very clear. Okay.
Correct.
And also BOP, the BOP is relating to the lifting activity related to the BOP, and any other construction activities is prohibited. Very clear.
Okay. It is clear, right?
Okay. This is very clear. Can you just make it in the on your right side? Can you scroll a little bit on your right side? What is there at the? Can you make it in one screen so that it will be easy to R1? Okay, adverse weather is the
Only weather conditions.
Weather conditions. Okay,
This has
it
to
will
be
be
there.
applicable. It will be applicable.
Yeah.
Okay.